Hi guys, this is my architect assignment 2 here. Just starting off, I carried on with my restaurant menu system from last architect assignment. Here we go, starting a server. We're using the Spring Boot to basically connect to a database, a SQL database. So server started on port 8081. Launching the restaurant client class, we have basically the same window from last time with a couple new buttons. We have a place order button this time and a search button. Unfortunately, the search button at this time is not working properly. I could not get it to work in the last. I've been working on it all afternoon basically, and it was not working. Um, Unfortunately, it did work, but then I tried to improve it and it broke, and I haven't been able to fix it again. So going in here, we can place an order. Same as last time, you can choose your items here, and then we go to place an order. It'll ask for your name. Let's just go test one, and then order place with server. If you look in the server here, it also says order saved successfully. So that also you can kind of see. I was doing a lot of debugging before this, so that's why. Um, and then if you go to let's actually go to the database here. So when you go to the database, this is over here my Postgres database site. This is the table. These are some of the other ones. There's test one showing up. Unfortunately, this is how the items are showing up because the items are their own class here. So this is our items class, and the orders, which we save to the database, are made up of basically the items as well as the name, and then we're also getting the total price. So that's what took most of my time, was just getting this working. Unfortunately, I started most of my work was throughout the week. A lot of late nights trying to get this to work. I was having a lot of issues with it. It didn't help that every time I felt like I was making something, that something else would break. I also updated my IntelliJ this morning and everything broke, so I had to kind of like spend a lot of time redoing that. I'm not sure what happened. If you go, let's see, this is my database searching. It's not working as of right now, unfortunately, but I did get quite a bit done with it. Let's see, I had one more. Here's my database class. We're using the auto wire, sorry, the servers and auto wired here, and basically saving the orders, and then also finding orders by customer name. That was part of the searching. That isn't unfortunately working entirely, but if you do search for something, this is gonna break my client here. But if I just search for that big capital test one that I had, unfortunately, as you can see, the restaurant menu is now frozen. But you can see in the server that it did find one of those orders. If you go down to, I think it was up top actually. Yeah, order name searching. We do use the database dot find orders by customer name, so we do know that it works. I think actually in here it prints it out. No, database. Yeah, so if it does find it, it says found, order size, orders for customer, and then the name. So that's why we're seeing found one orders for customer test. It was just getting it to basically work and pop up on the restaurant client. That was where I messed up, and then it's broken now. That's basically all I have. As I go over in my explanation here, I used lists for the orders inside the server class. I used a linked list in restaurant client class. I was originally just a list, but I changed it to a linked list because I realized that's something that changes size a lot, and the linked list doesn't. It can easily add and shrink without any issues. So then I also did the let's see, linked hash map was in the menu utils. So actually, oh, that was one other thing that I didn't show. Let's see. So when you go to the admin mode now, as you can see right now, everything is alphabetized. So we can actually add something else. Let's just say beans for the letter B there. And then when we add that, it's going to, when you refresh it, it automatically gets sorted alphabetized. There we go. So now we have 2 restaurant menu pop-ups here, and we can actually affect them. So if I want to remove something, let's take beans out again, and then we can go and refresh, and beans disappears. So it does work for multiple clients that's using our executive service pool here, and then down here in the start server, it basically just checks and makes sure that every time they get added to the pool, and then up to right now a limit of 10 different for 10 threads, so 10 different clients. But that's all I have. I'm sorry for the bad explanation today. I'm extremely tired, to be honest. Thank you.